Hi friends, I am Sai Jatne. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be showing you the antutu benchmark score for the Mi 11 smartphone. The Mi 11 device has a Snapdragon 888 processor, and this is the first phone to have the Snapdragon 888 processor. And right now, I'll try to show you the antutu benchmark score of the Mi 11 as well. So as I said, the phone has a Snapdragon 888 processor, and with this Snapdragon 888 processor, this is going to be the first smartphone which is releasing in the 2021 with the Snapdragon 888. And a lot of users are there really interested to know what will be the antutu benchmark score for the Snapdragon 888 and how it compares to the previous versions as well. I'll try to do a separate video as well, so comparing the 888 antutu benchmark score versus the Snapdragon 865, so you might be able to know the difference in case if you want to know. And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for this live wallpaper videos, and make sure to subscribe and support me friends for regular updates. So let me try to show you the antutu benchmark score, and it is a screenshot which I have taken from the Mi 11, and the antutu benchmark score was around 6,97,000. The antutu benchmark score was pretty close to 7 lakhs. So definitely in if I do multiple times the testing, the antutu benchmark score would be close to 7 lakhs definitely for sure. But overall, as a round figure, we can consider as a 7 lakhs as a basic score for the Snapdragon 888. So if you ask me what will be the 865, the score is about close to 5,80,000, and here we are getting 7 lakhs. So there's a huge difference between 865 and the 888. I'll try to do in-depth videos on this comparison with other processor like Snapdragon 855 Plus and Snapdragon 855 and Snapdragon other smartphones as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for this kind of more interesting comparisons with the other smartphone devices. And do let me know in the comments below friends what are your thoughts about the Snapdragon 888 processor. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.